going on, guys? Nasher here. I'm with my good buddy,
Coach Jeremy from Howtohockey. See if you can beat me, I'll see if I can beat you. That's so stupid.
And we are at the Rink Development Center in Ottawa. So we are here. We have got a beautiful setup, 6 shooting lanes, 6 different games, and I'm gonna be taking on Jeremy in every single one of these. All right, so I'm just gonna do a quick walkthrough of each of our stations here. First one, we've got some weighted pucks on an open net. We're probably gonna do some crossbar challenges, try to hit some of those. Really heavy, I don't know, maybe a time and a half times a normal puck weight. Pretty tough to shoot those up high. Then we have the top shot shooter. So basically how this works is these are all gonna light up at once. You have to hit every single one. Once you hit them, the light turns off, and then you get your time there in the middle. So we'll be able to see who does that the quickest. We're doing some training with the Hockey Shop products, trying to hit 11 for 11, 4 for 4. So, you know, I feel like that'll help us out. We got Jeremy here on the Sniper's Fire, so you can get some 1-2s going. Ooh, nice little shot there. We got a goalie in the butterfly position to give you that more realistic feel. This one I'm really excited about, the super shooter. So pretty much this is a puck rebounder. So say I put it through this top left corner, it's gonna come all the way around the outside and come back to me over here. So you can keep shooting until you mess up, and a lot of those pucks will return back to you. Last position is the stand-up goalie, a nice and realistic feel. I love the look of that because it's like you're actually shooting on him. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun here today, and let's go ahead and hop on in. Woo! So we're at the first station, which is the weighted pucks, open net. There's not really too much exciting we can do here, but we're gonna be trying to do a crossbar challenge. Just one crossbar wins this one with the weighted pucks.
It's a heavy puck, so it's a little bit different, I guess.
Yeah.
It shouldn't be as easy as just sniping with a regular puck.
I don't think we're gonna hit it in one try, but
we'll
who knows?
find out.
Let's do it. All right, you're the guest on my channel. I want you to have the first go.
I got the first shot?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. You might regret this. Dialed in the zone. Ladies and gentlemen.
I get a rebuttal.
Welcome to the National. Yeah.
Okay.
If you can do it 2, you can do 2 in a row.
Oh.
It shouldn't be as easy as just sniping with a regular puck. It shouldn't be as easy as just sniping with a regular puck.
Guy missed 4 shots off camera.
That was a warm-up.
My first attempt.
Oh!
Is that back bar?
I don't know. It sounded like back bar, but...
You want to give me a redo? Oh, I tried to go too high. Hey, that's you.
Maybe it was a fluke. You know, maybe we'll do hit all 3 posts.
Not for that.
3 in a row?
Yep.
All right, let's go.
You winners go first? Keep going after you hit it?
Yeah, of course. You move the net with those wings.
I know, it's pretty heavy. Oh, 3 for 3, let's go.
Oh,
give me that ring.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard son will pump the clock to feed himself.
No.
You're not messing around.
That's what we needed. Let's make our way over to the top shot. I think this is the one we're both probably most excited about. So
absolutely. I'm a little worried about your accuracy. 3 posts on your first try.
Not too bad, right? Sounds good.
All right,
let's do
go.
it. All right, so we're at the second station, which is the top shot. This is when the targets light up all 9. You have to hit all 9 in the fastest time. So we're gonna try to go at this back and forth, just take turns and see who can get the best time, who can get the lowest time, and hopefully we can beat this guy's old score at this thing. I got a little rattled once I missed one, you know? So then I started missing all of them. If I would have hit that top right, you would have been good.
Seconds. The puck came back, hit my stick as I was going for that top one.
Yeah.
All right,
it was looking really good until that happened.
Had a good run.
Hey!
That's it.
There you go. Those first 3 I was just like,
That was clutch.
Not even
I'm taking that strategy.
yeah. 7.22, boys. That is not bad at all.
If I get it into 6-second range, I would be really happy. If I could just beat if I get 7.21, then I'll accept it.
Yeah, yeah, right. All right, so I finished up with a time of 7.22. I'm gonna get one more go at this thing. Jeremy's going in for his last attempt. Oh, we wanna see a 6.1 for the THENASHER61. That would be sick. All right, here we go. Last attempt of the day. Let's go! 6.56 on the last attempt of the day. Can't be mad about that. You got the win there.
I didn't think I was going to take it. Honestly, I had one good run right at the end. I called it. Yeah, I lucked out on that one.
So yeah, I think that was a pretty good run there. You got a, what was your final?
I'm happy, 6.5.
6.5, I was at a 7.2, both very solid. You came in clutch at the end there. Tell you what, our camera guy, he's itching to get some shots in.
I mean, he's operating the camera with his hockey gloves on.
That's how much he's itching. James, you want to hop in here or not?
Let's go, I've been dying to get it.
Alrighty, let's do it.
Let's do this, let's go.
So this Top Shot thing has all kinds of different modes. We're gonna go with a different one to change it up just a little bit. We're doing rapid fire, so it only gives you one target. Let me fire it up right here so you can see. It gives you one target to hit, you gotta hit it, and then it gives you another one right after, you gotta hit it. I think it gives you 9 or 10 in total. Whoever has the fastest time, only hitting one at a time, so you gotta be a little more focused on this one. Maybe before you start ripping shots, give a little intro so they know who we're competing against.
All right, so my name's Jim Ramsey. I played in the OHL from 1998 to 2002 with the Plymouth Whalers and 1 year with the Sarnia Stings.
He's touched some pucks.
Yeah. Drop some gloves more than touch pucks.
Oh, what a punch to the face of Kowalski.
All right, let's see it. Let's see what you do.
Right
10 goals, 11 seconds.
We can't, man.
I got the perfect run. That's what I was looking for. Slowed it down a bit. I want to do a perfect run. 10 and 13. I'm happy with that one. But the record right now stands with the man, Jim Ramsey.
Yeah.
One last competitor. You got the Nasher.
Oh! No!
9 and 50. Well, it doesn't count the ones you missed to that.
Yeah.
Winner of this one, challenged by the cameraman.
The cameraman.
The cameraman
Can't
wins.
beat that. That's incredible stuff.
All right, now start recording.
All right, so we are moving down the line here. We're at the Sniper's Fire. So this one is currently down right now, but we're gonna give it a go anyways. There's 5 nice little targets. So we're gonna go who can go 5 for 5 first. You ready?
Yeah, we're shooting first.
You got it.
All right.
Guess goes first.
All right, first run.
Show us how it's done.
I'm feeling good. I mean, I think we might need a little adjustment because those targets were a little bit bigger. So it might take me a while to dial it in. But bottom left, we're gonna start. Top left, good.
Where's my life? I miss the boat side. I ain't ready to let go now.
Little bottom right here. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh.
I ain't ready to let go now.
There's 2. There's 3.
I'm having flashbacks of watching your 11 for 11 video.
7, 8, 9, 10. All right, one more shot. 5 hole. 11 for 11. Alrighty, so we are on our way back over. Jeremy coming in clutch again with the 5 for 5. We're gonna skip over the goalies for now. Not too much we can do with those, but we're moving on. to the final challenge of the day, the Super Shooter 2. So basically how this works, we've got different tubes that go in and out of the net. So say you shoot top left, it's gonna loop around the outside, come back out the right. We're going to attempt to do the most shots you can make with one single puck. We'll make the rule that if it comes out in any way, that counts, so you'll get to reuse it.
Show you how it's done?
Yep.
Woo! That's one snipe.
That's perfect.
I'll go for the lower one.
2 for 2. Yeah, and you'll just see how many of those you can do in a row. Let's do it.
How's it going on the street?
3, 4, 5. There's 6. The lucky roll. 7, 8. 8. Unbelievable. 12, 11. 11 straight for Jeremy. Oh, same puck. Redo.
It's the same if you hit the target and it came out.
I'm gonna have an asterisk next to my name, and I'm gonna keep going. To finish it off, here's the bottom on the top, knock the GoPro off. Risky. Alright, so that about sums up this video. We had a lot of fun with these challenges today. A ton of good stuff going on. I gotta give myself an asterisk for that win. It was debatable. One went in the top left, rolled out, but hey, it was
According to the rules.
Yep.
You know,
That's
you called the pocket and you hit it and it came out. So
that's what we said.
Yeah.
Yep. I'm gonna have to buy him dinner for him kind of sweeping all these challenges, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace. Alrighty, just want to give a big shout out to my good friend James for doing all our videography today. He's got a killer setup, killer skills. Where can we go and check you out?
So you can check out my stuff. I'm on Instagram at skytography.ca. So it's skytography.ca. Do a lot of music videos, promo videos, hockey videos, a little bit of everything.